Hey guys, welcome back everyone. In this lecture, we are going to be discussing about strings. So let's get started. Strings are sequences of characters using the syntax of either single quotes or double quotes. Let's see some examples. First, we have hello in single quotes, and then we have hello in double quotes. So you may think, what's nice about having both options of single quotes or double quotes? It means that if you have a single quote in your string that you want to keep and not end your actual string, you can wrap it in the other type of quote such as double quotes or vice versa. So here we have a string that is I don't know Python that has a single quotes, but I don't want that single quote to end the string. So I'll wrap the whole string in double quotes and that removes the error. So we know that the strings are ordered sequences, and that means we can use indexing or slicing to grab the substrings of the string. What indexing mean? Indexing is the word used when you want to grab a single character from a string. So every single character in the string will have an index position assigned to it. The notation of indexing uses the square brackets after the string or the variable assigned to the string. So the indexing position starts from 0. So let's take a word hello. So hello has a corresponding number of 0 and E has a corresponding number of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. So you can actually use reverse indexing too. So you may be wanted to grab the last letter of the string, but you don't know how long the string is. So you can use reverse indexing. So let's suppose I want to grab O. So I'll use -1 as the position of O. So similarly with L, it will be -2, -3 and so on. And next, what is slicing? This allows you to grab a subsection of multiple characters. The syntax will be square brackets of start colon stop colon step. So what are these words actually? Start is the index number for the slice start. And stop will be the index number where you need to stop but not include the stop index value. And the step. This is the size of the jump you need to take. So let's demonstrate with some examples. I'll use Jupyter Notebook to run the Python codes. You can use your favorite code editor or any notepad, anything else. We can use single quotes, hello, or else if you want you can use double quotes of hello. It does not mean that we need to use a single word. You can have more words like hello world, I know Python, anything else. Here, the thing you should remember is that the white space count as characters inside of the string. So if you have any white space in the string, that will be counted. Now, we have one special case, that is mix of single quotes and double quotes. So if I say I don't know Python within the single quotes, this gives a syntax error. The single quote which I am using here will be the end of the string. So to avoid this, I'll place the whole thing in the double quotes and I don't have any error. So till now we are asking Python to just return back the given string. So that's why it is giving the output with the quotes. So we can use the print function to actually print out a string. So we are going to say print of hello. And if we run this, we will no longer see the quotes. So we are actually just printing the actual string. So we also have some escape sequences. So let me say print of hello world. And if I want to get a new line while printing the string, I'll use \n. What it does? So it tells Python that this end here is not a character and I actually want to treat this as a new line. So this prints hello with a space and gets into a new line and start with the space and prints world. So if I want to have a tab space, you can use that using the /t. And if I run this, I'll get hello with tab space world. You can get the length of the string with the default function, that is length of hello. So length in the shortcut form, it will be len in Python. So it gives back with 5 because there are 5 characters in that string. So if there is any white space in between, the length function counts the white space too. So then the length will be 6 because there is a space after wo in the string. So that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.